Heyo, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today I am tired. I went and officiated 2 lacrosse games for the little youth today, and it was a blast. I love getting out there and running around on the field with those young players and helping them learn, grow, and enjoy the sport even more. But then after I sat down for a little bit, I remember how old I am and that it's painful to get up and run with them and then go and try to sit down and do things later. So today is not going to be a super entertaining video, but it's beautiful. Candace, I know you said you didn't want to hear about it, but it's 72 degrees today. I'm in a t-shirt, shorts, sandals, just loving the day. And then we're in for some severe thunderstorms this evening into tonight, and then we're dropping back down really low again. We're not getting your blizzard, but we're dropping down, I think they said, to the 30s overnight or something like that. I can't remember for sure, but they said it's getting cold again. So today we're just going to check out a few things. My little maples are actually starting to open up, which is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Everything's looking really healthy, and that's super happy as well. My gentleman actually started to pop its little leaves out. Let's see, what else do we got? Oh, this little guy up here, my Oriental Arborvitae, that thing's looking super healthy up there. But we're not here for any of that. Today we're just going to open up these 2 boxes. One that was generously sent to me from Gavin. He just actually started up his YouTube channel, and it's called Not Another Bonsai Channel, so that's funny. I'll link him in the description on this one. So he sent me a box, and I'll get to open that up. And then the other box has what I was recommended to get by Candace. So we'll open it up and see what it's like. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's just get this open very carefully here. We just got to get 1 to each corner. There we are. I'm not sure if that's enough to get it. No, we might need to get some more into this corner right here. Sometimes I'm good cutting open boxes. Other times I'm not. Today may be one of those not days. There we go. Now we got the little box opened up here. Alright, so he sent me a little note. So it says, Matt, best of luck with your YouTube channel and your new website. Let's hope more and more people buy Bobcat tools. So many people were using the mass-produced hooks with the red handles. This isn't in the note, but just a side note. I know you've all seen the mass-produced hook with the red handles, so I knew exactly what he was talking about as soon as he said it. He said, so your tools add an element of luxury. Hope you find... Oh, I'm not going to read that part because now I know what it is, but you have to wait till I unbox it. But he gave me something to help me along on my bonsai journey. So thank you very much, Gavin. I appreciate it. And now I just have to ever so softly get this out. All right. So, The Art of Growing and Keeping Miniature Trees by Peter Chan. I've actually been looking for this book and not been able to find it. So that's really awesome. I'm not going to open it up out here in the greenhouse. I'm actually going to leave this sealed up so that it stays watertight till I get it back inside. But this is great, Gavin. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. So here's the box from Candace's recommendations. Let's take a little look-see here. And just see what it's like. The description of it was really good, so we have that. They really sealed this up good with this tape. Ooh. Oh wow. So I actually ordered myself some bonsai soil, and this stuff looks really nice. So this will be nice to get mixed in for my trees and getting them all set up. I look forward to using this. So Candace, you were right. It is a really nice looking soil. Yeah, I'm looking at what I normally use and I'm looking at this and I'm like, definitely more consistent. I like it. So I'm gonna have to get this set up somewhere so that I have somewhere to pull it from. All right, so I have a few more trees I wanted to show you real quick, so let me grab them and then we'll look at it. All right, so we'll start off with the American larches. So this was the little guy that I took and I chopped off the top and did like a drastic chop on it. And this one looks like it's turning out pretty good. I think this branch is probably gonna, no, it still has a sprout on it. I figured that was dead, but we'll probably end up cutting that off anyway and just running off the bottom. I don't know. I have no plans to do anything with these this year. I just wanted to get them set up from potting this past winter, so I think the only thing that I might do with them, well, I have to take the wire off of it, that's a definite. But besides taking the wire off, I don't know, we'll see what it's like come fall. If they seem like the roots are really pushing out the bottom of here, if they are, then we will end up having to go back and repot and deal with that. So this is the one we did the cut, this is the one we did the twist, this is the one we left alone. Still working its way up, and you can see as it gets further and further up the tree, the buds are breaking through a little bit more at a time. It's even got little buds breaking out on all their little branches, which is really nice to see, because I don't know, I just like it. So this one right here where you see the buds bursting out, that is actually the top of this tree. So hopefully that's a good sign that it's going to push roots and I'll have a fourth tree. That will be awesome. If that is the case, I can tell you that I will end up cutting this one at some point, and I'm just going to turn around and put that right back in the ground to try to grow. As well as this one I'll end up cutting because I just wanted to get the spiral shape in. That was my key for that one. And the next one I wanted to take a look at with you is my Dawn Redwood that I got, that we did that big root chop on. So good chance that this branch is dead. That's okay. This little branch right here has two nice little buds forming on it, and that's awesome. That's a good sign for me. Other than that, everything's looking good up through here. It's working its way up to the top. Sorry, everything's very shaky. Probably my hands. The buds are starting to burst at the top, so everything looks good all the way up and into there. So I'm super happy with that. There was something else I wanted to show you, and I can't remember what it was. So it mustn't have been that important, would be my guess. Alright. It wasn't that important. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my channel, you should please subscribe to it because it helps me out greatly and I would appreciate it. And if you really enjoy my channel, you should hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.